Hey everyone, in this video we will see why is there no app store on my Apple TV models and how to install apps. Check if your model is supported. Check for the blue app store icon on your Apple TV home screen. If the icon is absent, you have an older Apple TV first, second or third generation. Older models cannot download apps. Streaming is only possible via AirPlay from an iPhone or iPad. If the App Store icon is present, proceed with the app download step. How to install apps tvOS model. Open the blue App Store icon on your home screen. Navigate to Search tab, magnifying glass and enter the app name. Select the app from the search result. Click on Get for a free apps or the price button for paid apps. Confirm the download by entering your Apple ID password if promoted. Wait for the download to finish, then click open or locate the app on your home screen. Thanks for watching.